Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Escape brake light. First, gather your essential tools for this simple repair. You will need a new brake light bulb, typically a 315/7 type, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely and the ignition is completely off before beginning any work. Having the right bulb ready makes the process much smoother and quicker, usually taking less than 15 minutes to complete. Now let's access the tail light assembly. Begin by opening your Ford Escape's rear liftgate. Inside the trunk area, you will see the back of the tail light housing. Locate the two retaining screws that hold the entire assembly to the vehicle body. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to release it from its mounting clips. With the tail light assembly now free, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the specific bulb socket for the brake light. It's usually the larger of the two. Twist this socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the housing. Gently pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out from its socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it straight into the socket until it is fully seated and secure. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Finally, let's reassemble and test. First, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise about 1/4 turn to lock it securely. Next, carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body. Push the assembly firmly into place until you hear it click, indicating it's seated correctly. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier. Have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.